Hi everybody, welcome to Crafty Aim's workshop, and guess what we're doing today? We are going to continue on with the miniature dollhouse that we're making. Mayberry Street Miniatures, the DIY dollhouse miniature Summertime Cottage. And we are working on, underneath the sofa area, we're doing the flowers where I didn't get to do the other day. So we're going to work on that today. So I've got all of my pieces out and ready this time. So we have this piece, which I had a hard time finding. This is just a little, it looks like a little stick, but if you turn it the other way, you'll see that it is, I don't know if you can see, there is a flower on the end. And so we're going to chop this up into one, well, we're actually just going to take one piece off for the flower. Same thing for this one. There's a flower right there, and it's just in the shape of a stick right now. So we've got our fabric. I cut out the pattern for this on that one, the A1643. I've got my ribbons, several ribbons there. This is another piece that we're going to be using. We're just going to use like a small section of it. And I've got this one. I still got to cut it out. And then our little greenery here that we're going to need. So let me chop all these up in the way they need to go, and then we will put them together. Okay, so I cut out the template, and now I have to cut out the little green fabric for the template, or with the template, and then we're going to wrap. We're actually going to glue this together, I think, according to this picture. It looks like they're putting the fabric on top of the template. So we're going to cut it out the same exact way the template is, and then we'll fold it down the way they need us to fold it down to eventually turn into that one right there. That right there is what we're headed towards. So I'm going to paste this down on the wrong side like that, and then I'm just going to cut around it, and then we'll fold it up into the shape that it needs to be. So I just used a Yoo-hoo stick and taped or pasted it down onto the fabric, and now I'm just going to cut it out. I think that's probably the easiest way to do it. I'm hoping I don't need this fabric for anything else, because I just totally cut it to death. And then while I'm cutting this, I'm also cutting that part where you need to cut, because you're going to be folding it in right there. Okay, so I used this template, drew around it, and now I'm going to cut this piece out. Okay, now I'm going to slice a piece of the flower off. I need one of the orange one and two of the pink ones. And I'm just going to use an old straight razor type thing. We need 1 centimeter of this green wire. And then on this, we just need to get one little thing over here and pull it apart like that, because you're just needing 2 of these. So I'm gonna just pinch it off. 1, 2. Okay, so let's get started. So we're gonna fold this up. So So I think what I'm going to do is just fold this way, fold along the lines. And then I'm going to fold the sides here, if you can see. So I'm folding all of the sides in, but then now I have to fold these little tabs. Let's go ahead and glue. So I bought my new glue. Got me a new one because that other one was just awful. Okay, so I've got these two edges glued down, and now I'm going to bring these up together. I'm going to push these sides in first. And I'm going to glue the sides together. So there we have it. This side's more pointy than this side, but that's okay. No biggie. Then it says we need to, oh, we should have done this already. Oops, my bad. We need to put the handles on the basket. So I'll just do that real quick. So there's that side and then that side. Okay, and then we need to put this piece on. It's gonna go up and around to make that's so cute. Look at that. Now, hopefully it don't stick to my right. There's that. Now we are going to be putting in the greenery and the flowers. There, look how cute. Oh wait a minute, I missed one thing. We gotta do the orange flower on the side. Look how cute. I like it. You stand it up. Now we're gonna do bouquet right here. And this is saying we need, so you've got your lace, your purple flower, pink flower, yellow flower, and then you put the green on it so that it kind of sticks out a little bit. And actually I need to cut these stems. Hold on. Stems are too long. that is easier said than done. That is for certain. That looks horrible. Okay, so far I've got it looking like that. I don't have the ribbon, or a little bow. It's gonna go without the bow. This is what it was supposed to look like, and this is what we have. But we're going with it. It's all right. Okay, now we're gonna make the wooden pot. Or it's supposed to look like a wooden pot. Okay, we've got our plastic piece and we've got our pretend wood. And we are just going to glue this on. There's our faux wood vase. Now we need to make our flowers. Okay, I'm just gonna let it lay down because it's just not gonna stand up like they're asking for it to do. So we're gonna try that. So look at that. I've got that one, and that one. How cute is that? All right, everybody, we got it done. So we can move on to the dressing table next time. So we've got our basket, our bouquet, and our vase, wood vase. So I'm so excited, it's coming along. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of the miniatures that I'm making, and hopefully we will get this project done and we can set it all up and it'll be beautiful. All right, you guys have a great day and we will see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.